Okay, you should have figured out that this was multiplication. You should have figured out that this was multiplication. All right, all of these are being multiplied. All right. We got two more parts. Two more parts. All right. So we have our phrase. And then we have our expression. We have our phrase. And then we have our expression. So the first phrase is going to be the quotient of 4 and some number. The quotient of 4 and some number. So we have our 4 on top, and we put it over some number, whatever that letter is going to represent. All right. The next one, the ratio of 8 and some number. The ratio of 8 and some number. So same thing. We can do 8 over some number. Also, we could write this as, I guess I should make sure that we know both ways. All right. So again, this could be 4 divided by Q. All right. Good on that? And what operation is that? This is going to be division. All right, the last one. This one's going to be a little bit harder. It's going to be 2 operations. Oopsies. Sorry. Phrase is on the left and expression is on the right. Phrase is on the left, expression's on the right. All right. So we have 6 more than 5 times a number. 6 more than 5 times a number. 6 more than 5 times a number. So remember, more than means that we're going to be flipped. More than means plus. More than means plus. So the plus 6 is at the end. 5 times a number is just multiplication. So I could do 5 times E plus 6. 5 times a number plus 6, because more than flipped those two. All right? Let's try another one. 4 times the sum. 4 times the sum of a number and 7. 4 times the sum of a number and 7. So because it says the sum of a number and 7, that means that we want to get that answer first, which means the answer of some letter plus 7 is going to be multiplied by 4. Get this answer first, and then I'm going to multiply it by 4. All right? I know these are probably the hardest part, but I promise you will be okay. 5 less than the product of 3 and a number. 5 less than the product of 3 and a number. So we have less than, which means that they're going to be flipped. So this is going to be minus 5, and this would be 3 times a number.